I'm playing their Teardown episode, Teardown Part 2, and I might have got a few more weapons, a laser blaster, or some breach charges, super ally gun, and the inferno torch. But don't worry, we're going to test those out in this episode. But it's going to be a long one, but we're going to take a little cut, so it's a break. But the first one I want to show you is one I just got. It's a laser blaster. It destroys. Look, it already made a hole through this right here. Part of this castle from Minecraft, one of my other series. It does destroy to make a perfect hole I can jump through. And this breach charge, let me try on this one. 3, 2, 1. And boom. And I have this tool called L to clean up. It's called like a something, but yeah, I just press L and it cleans up all a little bit. That's nice. And you want to see a inferno torch? It's inferno. It lights up on fire, and there's another mode, and there the search burning stuff. Oh no, I need to get my extinguisher you normally have. Extinguisher, extinguish. Spider-Man is here. That's funny. And I'm going to destroy his house. Whoa! I got full stones. But I got millions of weapons here I want to try out with you. So, whoa! I can destroy stuff with that. And this doorbell destroys perfect Minecraft doors. And I always told you that one I think in one of my other videos that I have this airstrike tool. It's one of my first weapons I ever got in this game, but on the workshop. But let me just shoot that right there. And let me just shoot this. Oh, wrong ammo. Okay. And boom, back. It's not back really. But I'm just gonna restart to show you these weapons because I kind of blew up it. But the next tree I have in line is this firework gun, this wiping machine that sounds lighting, and this right here megaphone. So the first in line here is a firework gun. So you see it, and it decimates. And then a second weapon is a weather machine. It sounds lighting.
Lightning storm created.
Then this one, the lightning can get ya. So then a lightning is going to go. And this is like showing some over a few minutes ago or two. And cleans up some little socks because that's what's causing most of the life on my game. And megaphone here. Disrupting. This keeps disrupting. Disrupting. And I haven't taken maps in a long time, so I want to show you one other map I have here. It's this map right here. It's a spaceship crash. It's gonna be like a spaceship crash. I'm gonna show you. It's cool. So here it is. Count to 10 down. A spaceship will be crashed. Oh no, back. No, I don't. Oh. I need to clean up some of this line. So this king right here just literally planted itself into a ground face first. And let me get my physics gun, and they're not. And let me pull this out to see a damage. So it seems like it took no damage except it's just like engine blow. So here it is. It's an engine blow. Yay! But the next weapons are gonna be even sadder. So stay tuned for one more second. Fans, I'm back from my second break, but it's loading because I got a new map. It's called the Cliff, where you drive cars off of the cliff. So let me show you. And I have a few more weapons online, but here, look, I'm driving this really fast car off of a ramp. Yeah! And it's basically, we're on this cliff right there, you're seeing. And oops, I broke my car. And here are the tools I have in line. Oops, I might go too far for my first tool. It's this. It's a breach charge. And a second tool in line is a BFG. A third tool is a disintegrator. So a first tool is a breach charge. So let me try it on this building right here. So here it is. You can place a limit in them. For now, I'm placing one. It makes a big explosion. And what I'm going to make a bunch of upside. I have this weapon circle, so I keep accidentally doing that. But okay. So here I'm going to place a lot. And I blowed up myself. Why did I do that? I'm going to jump off of a cliff. Not safe in real life, though. I'm just going to jump this off this cliff. So first part, yes. I'm going to just slowly keep jumping. Second part, cleared. And now I think I can just fall down this rest right here. There. I'm back down to say jumping off of low cliffs. And right now I'm going to get here and jump here. I'm just going to jump with the car here down to get down there. So this car can be a car. Ow. I banged myself on stone. Okay, I'm just jumping off now. Jump. And here we are at the city. So a first one can't blow me up. But a second one in line is BFG. Big, I don't know what that stands for. But it does disintegrates big things. Let me just delete that. And the third one I had in line is a disintegrator. Where is that pesky disintegrator? Oh, right here. So let me try on this building right here. When I press it and press this, it starts disintegrating a building. You see? It's disintegrated. And that can do. And I'm going to disintegrate a lot. My game! My game is disintegrating. And one order at the secret run. It's secret run, I did tell you. Torch hammer and a portal gun. So this portal gun is easy. Ow. This portal gun is easy here. You can just portal anywhere. And this is how you make an unlimited portal gun. Unlimited portal. It's actually really easy. I'm just open this door. One portal here, then you put another portal here on top of that one, and put that portal there. Do this. Let me give bigger space. Let me just destroy this portal. I'm just going to destroy the roof. So now I can go back to my portal gun, like I was showing. Then putting that right there. And okay, I might need to make a bigger hole to really. I need to make a humongous hole here so I can fall into that portal. It's like this. You just keep falling. Ah! Okay, there, and second one is literally, if you have been watching a show of Fenders, you know what this is. It's Thor's hammer. I literally got Thor's hammer up here. Here it is, and I can basically sunlighting, and I'm going to do sunlighting everywhere. Hey, gamer fans, it's been a second, but I got my new weapons. So my first one here, I'm by the way testing these out on my new train app. Yeah. So I can just do this and then knock the train out of it, and I'm gonna have to keep recharging so a train doesn't just get a million of blasts. A train doesn't get all messed up in one max, but this, I have a sniper rifle here. Oh, I can sight, but don't use these in real life. But I can like sight at little shots with bullets. And the best one I have here, I think I had one. Oh yeah, this one right here. I'm gonna have. It's not like let me. Why my game is so laggy? Okay, this made a train disappear. But that one here I have is measuring tape. So I can measure like how far would this be? How like I can make ridiculous numbers. Like said right there, it's 3,000 already. My game is lagging. That is not gonna help. But those are all of the weapons. But I have a few more weapons in line because that was a little too quick to be an ending of an episode. So I have 3 more lined up. Like Hammer of Dawn, Roll Eater, and this. So Hammer of Dawn first. It's basically like lasers, then when you, okay, I need the outside of this train. Oopsies. This made us have this blow shock stuff. But okay, I'm going to use I'm just going to zap my way out this. Okay, zap my way out this train. Oh no, of course it's in a tunnel right when I'm about to get out. Oh, there. Oh. I'm trying to cut that last part off, so here I'm free. So, the first one, like I said, is a Hammer of Dawn. I'm following this train as fast as I can. I'm just turning on my God mode so I can go fast. But the first one here is a Hammer of Dawn. I'm trying to find it. I probably should. Okay, I have it right here. Wait, what? Why can't I use it? Okay, I'm gonna have to play your map. I came back from my little teeny weeny Ashley break. It was Ashley count 1 second real life, 1 second YouTube. But I'm back because my Hammer of Dawn wasn't working when I was playing that other map. So I had to change maps to Bob's to make the trailer park. But here, ow. But I got it right lined up here. Where is it? Gamer fans, I'm back, and I decided to do a different line of weapons because Hammer of Dawn is just not on my side today. So I got his lightsaber from Star Wars, lightsaber. You know, Star Wars lightsaber. Cool. If I can tap this to make like little lines, and And I can hold it. If I hold it, I can slice these blocks. I can slice. I can literally just slice and keep it. I use to this car right here. I can keep slicing it. You see, and I turn off that. And my second one I have in line for you is a mini flamethrower. So let me get something that's wood. And it's burning. I should probably get my extinguisher before everything gets on fire. I probably need to wash this off. Any more fire? No. Okay. So, and the second one I had online is, what was it? I think it was, it's going to be this right here. It pulls things, so you're like holding it. And then you throw it. You can literally just throw it into space. And the last one I have online is this. This was the low shooter. And actually I have a few more to show you. One more to show you because it's one of my first weapons I got. It's a physics gun. You can just lift up stuff, and on your keyboard here, it's easy to turn around stuff or to throw stuff. I could get that bus back too soon, but let me show to symbolize something. I want to show you how I'm going to throw this fan at. Oh no, I'm fine. No. That's not what I want to do. I didn't want to throw one. I can throw a fan at anything, at any time. And right now I'm just going to oh yeah, Inferno Torch. Like I said to you earlier, it's just burns through stuff. Burns, for real. It just burns. It just fires. So, bye gamer fans!